Hey guys, before we get into this video, I just wanted to make a quick apology to you guys about you guys not having any videos. I've been slacking lately on editing and such, so I want to make a formal apology to you guys that I suck. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get to the live action. Good morning, everybody. I got the wagon warming up behind me, and it's about to die like it just did. But good morning. Today, I'm going to be driving the station wagon to school, so I'm going to bring you along with me. All right, so it's about 40 degrees out, so, you know, she's a little cold, a little cranky, but you're sitting here and baby, it'll get it up to temp a little bit. She should stay running. It's got EFI on it, so, I mean, it's not going to struggle too much. It just needs a little bit more heat in it. Let me get on a better screen here. Oops. There we go. Yeah, the engine's 54 degrees, the water temp is, and we got plenty of oil pressures and plenty of fuel pressures. So I'm gonna let her warm up, and then we'll be leaving here shortly. Alright guys, we had a nice easy drive here. I got parked up. Hopefully we don't get any door dings, but you know. But yeah, so I gotta go to school over here, and then I'll catch you guys at lunch. Alright guys, we're here at lunch. Just left the school. Now we're going to get some canes with the boys. And Zach's back there. Mason's the weirdo here. So yeah, we're just cruising. That's it. All right, guys, we're almost back to the school. We're almost back to the school. We went and got our canes.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Best sweet tea in town because we're in Colorado, so you know. So yeah, we're almost back and got to get back to class. So I'll catch you guys after school. All right, guys, we got a beautiful drive home tonight. Just left the school over yonder. It's kind of a sucky place to get out of, lots of traffic, so probably a little hard to film, and you kind of got to hurry out of school to get, make sure you can get out of there and not wait for a while. So just cruising. You can see how fast we're going, just kind of cruising. Alright guys, I know this video is jumping around a little bit, but today I'm running the lathe, making a little spacer. Kind of like this one, but we needed it a little bigger. Not this big, I need to cut it down still, but machining a part here at work for one of our project cars, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. This video's kind of jumping around because earlier I was driving the wagon, but this needs to be 1 inch, which I pretty much nailed. 114, I need to take another 10 off. Doesn't need to be exact, but pretty close. So yeah, that's what I'm working on, and then we're gonna cut a little groove in here. So yeah, Dad's over there working on some parts for Kelly's car. So yeah, let's, you guys can go ahead and watch. Alright guys, I got the one side cut in at the angle, down to 800. It needs to be 750, but I want to get the other side done, and I'll come across the bottom and finish it. Find the angle, I did this, and then set it up on this little protractor deal right here, and set the angle on that. So I got this angle set, and then you just go ahead and run this baby in, and that's what creates this angle right here. So yeah, Dad's welding. He's gonna help me flip the color to the other side because I don't know how to do that. Alright guys, we got her made up. Had to have Dad come save me. When we made it, I didn't have the exact points, so when it came in here, we had to end up taking, I think we took 40 off each side. So they're a little bit smaller now, but it still fits perfect. And I just realized I'm filming this the wrong way, so sorry. But it fits perfect. It goes right in there, but it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So yeah, it's just a little dummy plug basically, so it doesn't look stupid. It doesn't look like there's a little hole open. So yep. Alrighty guys, I know this video is kind of jumping all over the place, but today I flew to Gainesville for the Gator Nationals. I'm out here helping Terry Haddock Racing this week. We have a test session tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and Wednesday I think we're testing too. And then Thursday we're hopefully going to be able to regroup our parts and everything. And Friday obviously we'll jump into qualifying here at the Gator Nationals, first race of the season. So I'm super excited. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know this video jumped around quite a bit, but and it's kind of a short one, but I've been meaning to get something out to you guys, and this was an easy one for me to edit. This was actually filmed last week. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.